Hey guys, welcome to help screen, and this is how to delete a Facebook account. So first thing that you will do is just simply select your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now from here guys, you could just simply select the gear icon on the top right again beside the search icon. And now you will be redirected to settings and privacy and select see more in account center. So now from here, just simply scroll down and select personal details and you should be able to see here account ownership and control. So guys, if you don't see it over here, you will just simply go back on the top left and you should be able to see here accounts and select accounts and you should be able to see here the account ownership. So in my case, it is on personal details. So just simply continue with account ownership and you should be able to see here deactivation or deletion. So select that and select an account that you want to delete. And you will have here two options. So just simply select delete account to proceed and select continue. And then after that, guys, it will prompt you to type in your password and just simply provide all of the necessary information in order to proceed. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.